Today we will learn the second Kalima, the Kalima of Shahādah, where we say what we believe.
أشهد
I believe with my heart.
أن لا إله
No one is God,
إلا الله
only Allah.
وحده
Allah is one.
لا شريك له
He has no partner.
وأشهد أن
I believe again.
محمدا
Muhammad,
عبده
one who worships Allah,
ورسوله.
Allah's messenger. This is my Kalima.